Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Jyoti from Angie and Joe's channel. So today we are going to do a book haul and a weekly reading vlog. So this week I got lots of books. Let me tell you what all books I got and a little bit about each book. One of Us is Lying by Karen McManus. So this is a crime thriller. It's about kids in school. So five strangers who got detention, and then after that one of them got murdered. So it's about that and about the investigation that goes on, and the suspense is who is the criminal, obviously. So this is one of the famous book that is going on now, because in my Goodread also I see many people picking up this book. So I got this one, and then the second book that I got is a sequel of this. So One of Us is Next by the same author. It's a sequel of this book. So I got these two together. So I'm super excited to read this book because I love reading thrillers and mysteries. So this is going to be a treat for me. So these are the two books I got. The next book that I got is The Midnight Library by Matt Haig. So this book says that between life and death there is a library, she said, and within that library the shelves go on forever. Every book provides a chance to try another life you could have lived, to see how things would be if you had made other choices. Would you have done anything different if you had the chance to undo your regrets? So I wanted to read a book from Matt Haig from quite some time now. So this book again appeared lots of time on my book Goodread page, and I also I'm following Matt Haig on Instagram, so I keep on seeing about this book a lot. So I thought, why not pick it up? So I want to read this book, and once I'm finished I'll let you know about this book, about my review, and what I liked about it and what I didn't like about it. So yes, The Midnight Library, the most talked about book of the year. The book that I am going to talk about is one of the classic, and I wanted to read this book from quite some time now, and finally I got this book. So this book is War and Peace. It's quite a big book. So War and Peace is a masterpiece of famous Russian author Leo Tolstoy. So this is a novel, and it has lots of chapters about history and all this. So it's actually a historical fiction, and it is said to be one of the masterpieces of Leo Tolstoy. So I have read a couple of short stories by the author, but I have never read a complete book by Leo Tolstoy. So I have also got Anna Katerina in my Kindle, so I want to read that as well. And this is the other book that I wanted to read from quite some time now, and I finally got it. And I wanted to get this in a hard cover, but I couldn't find it, so finally I got it in the paperback. I didn't want to get it in Kindle because when you are reading a classic and a masterpiece, it's better to have it in paperback. So I got it in paperback, and I am going to start reading this one, but I don't know how much time it is going to take because it's quite a big book, and let's see when I can finish this book. So this is my next book. These 4 books this week, and there is one more book that I got in the beginning of June. So these are the 5 books that I'm going to read now. So I've already started with The Last Queen, and then after that I will read the remaining books. So these are the books that I got this week. From last 3 days I am reading this book, The Last Queen. It is written by Chitra Banerjee. So I have also read a couple of books from the same author. Palace of Illusion was the first one that introduced me to this author, and after that I also read Forest of Enchantment, and like those two, this book also left me spellbound. It's an amazing story of Rani Jindan Kaur. So the story starts in 1839 in Lahore. It is at the time of Britishers and all. So Rani Jindan Kaur was the youngest queen of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, who was also known as Sher-e Punjab. So the story talks about how Rani Jindan Kaur became the last queen of Punjab and how she fought against Britishers, the kind of strong lady she came out after Maharaja Ranjit Singh died. So that's the story. So overall the book is divided into 4 parts. The first one is Girl. So that part talks about when Jindan Kaur was a young girl in a village. She doesn't belong to any royal family, and how she used to rebel against her family and against the society to study more, because at that time girl education was not considered appropriate in the society. So how she fought, how she wanted to study more but eventually had to leave school. The next part, Bride. So in this, how Jindan went to Lahore with her father and met Maharaja Ranjit Singh, and eventually she, a commoner, becoming a queen. So that's the story of the second part of the book. The third part, Queen. So after the death of Maharaja Ranjit Singh, the next hire, what all happened. So it was lots of murders, conspiracies and assassinations that all happened, and finally it come to that the youngest queen became the last queen of Punjab, and her son Maharaja Dalip Singh became the last king, also known as the Black Prince, famously known as Black Prince. So that's the part of part 3, Queen. And the fourth part of the book is Rebel. So in this, how because of the trickery of Britishers, how she was removed from her throne, how she was separated from her son, and she came out as a rebel, and what all happened, how she met her son after so many years. So that's the entire story, and it was a poignant story of Rani Jindan Kaur, which I just loved it. So the best part about the book that I liked is that history is mainly written by men, and often we do not hear so much about brave females that were there in the history, who made a mark in our history, but most often we hear only few of them, and many of them are not talked about. So for me, Jindan Kaur was a really new story. I expected nothing from this story. Initially I thought maybe it's a fiction, but when I read everything and I realized that it's a real story, and I have never heard about her till date. So it was a really great read for me, and I loved it. The writing style, the description of characters, everything is just amazing. So if you have not read this book, I would really recommend it, that you read Last Queen. It is not historical fiction, I would say. It is history told in a different way. So if you have not read any book of this author, please do consider reading Palace of Illusion, Forest of Enchantment and Last Queen. All three are just amazing in its own way. They all talks about strong women in our society. Most of the time we do not heard much about their character from their perspective. So an amazing read, and I would love to read other books from this author. So it was a great one. So please do consider reading this book, The Last Queen. Okay, so from last 2 days I am reading this book, One of Us is Lying by Karen McManus. So I got lots of recommendation about this book on my Goodread page, and that's why I picked this book. This is a story about five strangers who are in the same school, how they went into a detention, and then eventually one of them died, and after that life of all four of them got completely messed up because involving investigation, lots of truth are coming out about their life, so it's a complete mess. So this is a story, a thriller, a page turner, I would say. I was not able to keep this book down even for a minute, so I finished it really fast. It is a marvelous, delectable read, and last year many of you must have heard about this book, Silent Patient, which was also a Goodread winner in thriller section. So I read that last year and I felt that that's an amazing book. But this year when I read this, I felt that it is even better than Silent Patient. It has a mind-blowing twist, which I was not even thinking about that part, that even this can happen. So that's how good this book is. So I have finished this book already. I am going to the part now. So if you have not yet read this book, and if you really love crime and thriller kind of books, then this book is for sure for you, because if you start reading this book, I'm sure you won't be able to keep it down. It is amazing. It's a phenomenal book. So that was the reading vlog and the book haul of this week. If you like this video, do not forget to like and share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to click on the bell icon here to get a notification of all our latest video. That's it from our side. Bye bye.